Hey everybody, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out this magnetic dry erase calendar. It's a daily planner, and you can put it on the fridge or wherever it's magnetic. Get out my little multi-tool here. There's some tape there, so. Okay. So this runs about, $9.96 on Amazon, so about $10. And I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Here we go. Let's see what else is in the box here. Looks like that's it. Okay, so inside we have, let's see, cleans, floss, screwdrivers, old screwdrivers. What is this? Okay, so cleans fluff from fabric. You got some kind of a, I'm not even sure what this is. Maybe some kind of a holds screws and screwdrivers, maybe. Cleans fluff from fabric. Some kind of a, kind of like a sticky stuff, but not too sticky. I don't know. Anyways, you got that. Let me check out the. Okay, so that's blue tack. Cut the blue tack into equal parts. Pull the blue tack to get better stickiness. I need the blue tack to round shape, attach to four corners, and paste. Okay, so that's what that is. It's called Blue Tack BLU, and this is what you use to hold it to the wall or whatever if you want to stick it to there. Yeah, I think it's magnetic anyway, so this deal you can put it on your fridge. But if you want to just put it on the wall that's not magnetic, you can use that. Okay, we got a little dry eraser, and it's got a little magnet on the back as well. We have 4 pens. Looks like 2 gray ones, a pink, and a blue. And these also have little neodyne magnets on there, so you can clip onto the wall. All right, so let's check out the planner here itself. It's pretty good sized. Okay. See, it doesn't want to stay straight though here. It doesn't want you to look at it. If I can open it up here, my goodness, it's giving me some trouble. I'll try to roll it this way. It seems pretty pliable if nothing else. And so hopefully it'll be able to maintain its shape there once you stick it on the refrigerator or something like that. So I'm going to be doing a video also, of showing you how this thing works on the fridge and the dry erasers and stuff like that. So there it is there. Pretty good sized. It's probably about 18 inches by 16 maybe. I'll see if I can find the exact specifications here. Yes, it is 16 by 12. Okay, so I was a little bit off. It looks a little bigger than that. So anyways, there it is, my friends. I'll be doing a little product review here as soon as I get this set up on the refrigerator, and we can keep track of stuff on there. So it's a pretty cool idea. If you want to try to be organized and get your dates down, and also, if you have a calendar or something like that, this one has a little bit more space than your average calendar, so you can write down stuff and everyone can see it there right on the fridge. So, because everyone goes by the fridge anyways, right? All right, thanks for watching this unboxing. I'll be doing a review video soon and show you guys how this works and stuff. And also be putting that link in the description below when I finish. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you next time.